we are here for our first chapter, early humans. Okay, now look, communication. Early human did not know any language. Early human didn't know any language because they are nomads. They used gesture to communicate with each other. They are using sign languages for communicating with each other. Smoke signals and drum beats were used to convey message about victory or danger. If any time of victory they kill any animal, or they have any type of come danger, they use smoke signals and drum beats. Smoke signals means they fire one stick or something, or drum beats like the voice of drums they are using to the convey message. While hunting, they started copying animal sounds. While hunting, they also copying the sounds of animal like cuckoo. This type of animals now they are using birds voice, they are using for their language, because we are speaking the languages like Hindi, Marathi, English, but the early humans did not know any type of language. Then they are using this type of signals or animal voice. Then they use these sounds along with gesture to communicate, and they also use this type of sounds like animal sounds like lion, donkey, or dog, cat. This type of sounds they are using for conveying their message or to communicate. Discovery of fire. Now look, they discovered the fire, but how they discovered? Look, no one know how fire was discovered. No one, any historian didn't know about the fire, how it was discovered. But it's a myth, or it's a imagination of the historians. Like this type of happened that time. Early humans must have seen natural fire in jungles and got scared of it. They also must have realized that even animals were scared of it. लुक, डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर यानी आग, अग्नि का शोध कैसे लगाया गया किसी को नहीं पता है, लेकिन ऐसा माना जाता है कि अर्ली ह्यूमंस ने उनको नेचुरल फायर एक दिन उन्होंने जंगल में देखी होगी, जिससे कि जंगली जानवर डर गए और इसीलिए उन्होंने आग का प्रयास करने, they are using this type of fire to because they realize animals also scared of from fire. Probably early humans made fire accidentally by using spark from a jungle fire on dry grass or a heap of leaves. Fire could also have been discovered when an early human rubbed two stones together. Like this, they given us one image. One day what happened, early human rubbed two stones, and from that stones some sparks of light come, and it's gone into grass and it's a burner. ऐसा माना जाता है कि अर्ली ह्यूमन जब दो पत्थरों को आपस में घिस रहा था, तब उसमें से कुछ स्पार्क्स निकले और उसी स्पार्क से आग लग गई. They began to use fire from warmth to scare away the animals and light up their caves, and they also use this fire to warmth यानी गर्मी के लिए, सर्दियों के दिन में गर्मियों के लिए, और स्केर यानी एनिमल डराने के लिए, एनिमल्स को डराने के लिए, और अपनी केव्स में गुफाओं में लाइट के लिए वो लोग क्या करने लगे, दे आर यूजिंग द फायर. It is possible that one day a piece of raw flesh fell into the fire and got cooked. When early humans tasted this piece, they found it delicious. Thus, the art of cooking was learned by them. Look, it is possible कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि एक दिन क्या हो गया कि एनिमल्स क्या खाते थे, दे आर ईटिंग रॉ फूड. यस नो, कच्चा फूड खाते थे, कच्चा फ्लेश खाते थे, बट उसमें से कुछ कच्चा फ्लेश फायर में चला गया और वो कुक हो गया. लेकिन जब अर्ली ह्यूमन ने उसको टेस्ट किया तो दे फाउंड इट डिलीशियस, और उनको बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट लगा, इसीलिए फिर उन्होंने वहाँ से कुकिंग स्टार्ट की होगी, है ना, ऐसा माना जाता है. ओके, इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट वन डे दे लर्न अबाउट द कुकिंग, ओके, बाय यूजिंग फायर. नाउ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन.